everybody, this is Yedhukrizz here. So on this video we are going to talk about deepfake using Android and iOS. So there is an app called 𝗃𝗧𝗏 on iOS and app stores. So why I really give away the app name? Because a lot of YouTubers put that on the last face because they want people to follow them until that. Because our motto is straightforward content, man. So if we are talking about the app, we will talk about that. So if you want to download, go ahead and download. Okay, my priority is you guys. But the thing is that you can stay here and hear some things, because if you don't use this app correctly, you can get punished.
Trust me.
Let's first of all look at deepfake. What is deepfake? There is a Wikipedia article in which I have opened on my laptop, and I will read 2 sentences of that. Okay, so deepfake are synthetic media in which a person in an existing image or video is replaced with someone else's likeness. While the act of faking content is not new, deepfake leverages powerful techniques from machine learning and artificial intelligence to manipulate or generate visual and audio content with high potential of deceive, which means it is a fake media. Yeah, why I read that, but to be clear, using someone else's face without their permission is illegal. So it may be fun at the beginning, using your friend's face on a video, but if that video somehow got viral and he is now upset about that and he approaches court, then you lose one friend, along with you will get legal punishments. So I will only recommend to use your face, because you are the sole owner of your face. Okay, so this part of video in which I will use this app to perform a deep fake using my face on this video. So these are 2 videos in which I do. One is 𝗪𝗁𝗀 and one is Jack Sparrow. I don't know if that's relevant or not, but these are the 2 videos that I do with using this app. So and let me show you how you can do that using your face using this app. So I will be going into screen recording mode because I don't have any second phone to do this. So sorry for you guys, you cannot see my beautiful face from now. So see you at the end of this video. Okay, so what you have to do is, oh my god, where is the Play Store? There you go. Okay, come on here. What you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for an app called 𝗃𝗧𝗏. Yes, that is this. It got 10 million plus downloads, man. It's crazy. So this is the app, 4.6 stars. Go ahead and install it and open it. Okay, so when you are doing it, they will ask for the permission of using your face data. You have to agree it, and they also say, oh my god, don't judge me. I just
Using someone else's face without their permission is illegal.
It is a matter of curiosity. I want to see 𝗪𝗁𝗀𝗻's face. Oh, some of those. Sorry. What you have to do is you have to go here and add faces plus button. How Oh my god. Okay, so my face is loaded right there. Okay, that's it. And here, let's take this. I didn't produce any content with 𝗪𝗁𝗀𝗻's face. I'm just curious to put his face on some superheroes. Okay, I put it over him and him because I want to see that. That's it. Okay, so whose video I should put? How about Jasmine? Okay, it is doing the refacing. So there is a limit on free version in which how much? 20 minutes between reface. Oh my god. I love this movie. Now I spoiled it. Say it together. So that's how you download the face, reface. Okay, so let's do one another. You can also upload your own GIFs, but you have to get the pro version, and you can also search for GIFs right here to, swap your face. Yes, go to. Let's do some other videos. How about that? Series pack. Stranger Things. Boom. Yes, boom. I want boom. Okay. Wait for it. Oh my god. On some of the series, it can get a lot better. Just like, let me show one of that. It can get a lot better. It can get a lot better. Look at this. It's embarrassing or funny. I'm a guy who take this everything like this as funny. So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how 𝗪𝘗𝗏. Come on, get a reface. So it will take. You should probably connect to the internet for this, I think, because it needs some processing. Okay. Oh my god. That's me. Oh. That's crazy. So there is a lot of video in which you can try. There is a lot. I'm using my 2 fingers right now to scroll through. So there is a lot of video. So there is a lot of video in which you can try. So get a good photo of yours to do this. So like this, you will be very happy and dumb. So when you are adding, you know that there is no option for file manager or anything like that. You can just only take a photo. So how I add 𝗪𝘀𝗻𝗋 photo is through this. I have just Google searched it, and I opened this in a new tab, and oh my god, open image in a new tab, Where is it? Yes. So I take a selfie of him using that screen. That's how I add, just curiosity. Okay, that I'm his big fan. And also Mamukas. I love both of them. They are both legends. Okay, so I'm a big fan of him. So I want to visualize him like a Thor. A curiosity factor. So that's how I did it, and your saved video will be appear on your gallery. So get a good photo. Okay, so over here I was just doing a smug face. That's why most of the error comes from. Okay, so do a neutral photo in which you can get it perfectly. That's it. So let's get into the video, right? So the link of the app is in the description, or you can just go ahead and search it because it is a famous app. And I just give you an app review of this. It is one of the best apps in which it is very good. It is very good. Yes, it is superb. Okay, for doing a face swap, right? Even if it is a free version, it is not limiting the fun of doing a face swap, right? I see a lot of apps just like this. It requires you to see 30 seconds of ad video to do one face swap, which is more pathetic than this. And this is one of the best apps. I will recommend it, right? For fun things, okay? And don't judge me on putting 𝗪𝘀𝗻𝗋. I'm his one of the biggest fans. Also, I love 𝗪𝘀𝗀𝗏 too. Both are legends, okay? Because I love both. That is over that. That's it. That's the video is. I don't know how to stop this. This is a fun journey for me, and probably for you. And I think you have discovered a new app to do some fun stuff. Go ahead and take your brother's photo and do this and put it on family group. But don't share this to someone else. That's without someone's permission. Okay. what I said is illegal, but there's a fun factor to this, but this fun factor can also become a serious thing if you don't do it well. So don't make it a serious thing. Don't make it as a serious thing, because everybody has their personal life. Not everybody is not like me, right? Yes, not everybody sees this thing as funny. It is a sad ending. No, it is a happy ending. So I think you have discovered 𝗪𝗺𝗺, and if you want to recommend this video, go ahead, please share this, and see you guys on the next video. I'm so funny, and it is 3 p.m. I didn't eat my lunch, and my grandma is calling me like crazy. She said she won't give me my fish fry if I don't get there, so I'm very hungry. I'm going. Thank you. See you guys on the next video.